Okay, in this little demonstration I'm going to show you how to add an image to a prompt. I'm going to show you a couple ways. And I am using Microsoft Edge right here, okay? It looks like Internet Explorer, but it's not. It's Microsoft Edge. I'm using Windows 11. So with that said, we're going to have some extra options. I'm going to use this as a reference image instead of pushing make variations. I'm going to click in here once, put /, and all I have to do is put the /, and since the image prompt's on the top, all I have to do is press enter. Alright, then but since I clicked up here, it's not going to work, so basically I have to stick here and just press enter. There it goes. Okay, for my prompt, I'm going to use this image here, so we'll just here and just drag it down and put it right here. Of course, you can see the cursor is real tight to the PNG, so we'll put a space here. We're going to right click and we're going to put voice typing, okay? A classic interior with cathedral ceilings, comma, photographic, comma, realistic, comma, Unreal Engine, comma, HD. Okay, I pressed the space bar. This stopped everything from the recording, okay? So we'll keep that in mind. And we're just going to go ahead and press the enter key. Pause the video till that is done. Now that it's done, let's take a click at and closer look at this. So we'll click the image and make it bigger. And I kind of like this up on the left hand corner. We're going to come over here and you'll see visual search. We're going to click this, and then it's going to bring us into something like this. And we got a cropping tool right here. And those are, so we're going to select here and we're going to drag over here. I like that top left one, so we're going to drag over here and we'll drag something about right here. Now anything that's in this cropped area, as you can see right here, brings up certain things. We got one right here, looks pretty close to it right there, so we can use that. And we can also use this one as a reference if we want to. So if we right click this and choose copy image, okay, we can do that. And we'll come over here and move the crop. Then we're going to press the X here. We're going to click over on the left to move that. So what we're going to do here this time is I'm going to right click in this message here and I'm going to press paste. And there's the image. Now we need to press the enter key. So we'll press the enter key and it's going to process it. So we're going to type the prompt in again, /. That's all we need to do, and press enter. Now since it's in the prompt now, and we basically upload this image here in the figure of speech, and we'll just drag it and drag it down here. Then you can see right here. Put the space bar. Then we can just right click again, voice typing, and I had to stop that because I was talking. So I'm not going to be able to talk, I'm just going to be able to talk out the prompt. So here I go. A classic interior with cathedral ceilings, comma, photographic, comma, realistic, comma, Unreal Engine, comma, HD. Okay, hit the space bar and press enter. And we'll pause the video till that's done. As you can see, it's now finished, and you can see this reference image here. It's the same as this one here. When we click it, and we'll select it here, and you can see that one's kind of dark, and my new 4 ones here, they're kind of dark. So it's, you know, it got pretty accurate right there. So you can keep that in mind. I kind of like all these, but I like the darker ones. And we're going to click over here to exit out here. Another thing that you can do is basically the same thing, but you'll just press here, the star, not star, but the plus sign, and we'll upload a file, and we'll go to downloads. Okay, and you will need to press the enter key. Okay, then you'll see like it processing. Okay, there's the dog. / enter. We'll drag this down here. Hit the space bar. A cute puppy with sunglasses and a headphone, comma, photorealistic, comma, Unreal Engine, comma, HD. And I hit the spacebar, bam, 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 and pause the video till it's done. Okay, you can see that it kind of did a good job and it kind of didn't. The reason why is that this reference image here, it has two images. Okay, we really need a picture of one dog, not two. We're kind of confusing this program, and it really needs one image. So let's go ahead and pause the video and we'll just do one image. And for that one image, I'd scrolled up. Let's do upscale the one on the right, number 2 here. And we're going to press U2. We're going to use that as a reference image, and it'll be down here when we're done. Alright. And you can see it's getting ready to start, and pause the video until that one's done. Okay, we can do this a couple ways. Remember, as I, drag this down here. But if I wanted to just save this to my hard drive, there's all kinds of ways that you can do things. So we'll just click here and go to the original, and right click, and we're going to save image as. I like it because it keeps the prompt right here, and we're going to save that. Alright, we're going to go back here. So we're going to try this again. We're going to go in here and /. Oh, I forgot to do this. We're going to go like here and press upload. I'm sorry. And then you can see it right here. Press the enter key. Okay. So basically, this is on my hard drive. This is on the server. So we can do it like that way. Like I said, there's all kinds of ways that we can do this. So / enter. And I'll just drag this down here. Spacebar. From the PNG, right click. A cute puppy with headphones on and sunglasses, comma, realistic, comma, photographic, comma, Unreal Engine, comma, HD. Hit the spacebar. And I use the word condom. I knew I first pronounced something. Let's try that again. Alright. Alright, enough jacking around here. Let's do that again. I was trying to chew bubble gum and walk at the same time, I think, on that one. Spacebar. I'm going to scroll up and read this again, make sure I get it correct. A cute puppy with headphones on and sunglasses, comma, realistic, comma, photographic, comma, Unreal Engine, comma, HD. I hit the space bar to exit. and press the enter key. And it's going to try this one here. This is the image it's just trying to work off right here, so we'll just take a look at the same one here, and we're going to pause the video till this one's done. Okay, since we did it off one image right here, instead of doing it off the two right here, I'm getting better results, as you can see if I go down here, and we get much better results. So this is kind of cool. I had a couple, they all got headphones on. Some of them you can't see real good, but you know, they're there. And I'm going to go over one more tip. Okay, if you want to download your images, basically what you can do is where you log in at here, then you sign into this one on the right. It says sign in to your Discord. Then your images will be here. Now there's been a Firefox bug. I can't get into this page, and when I do it through Microsoft Edge, I can get everything done, but it won't download the zip. So basically you may have a different browser and it might work. So I kind of tell you how I did it when everything was working. I'd come over and select all, and then I would select all of the ones that are upscaled, and when I did this, it only brought up images of what was upscaled. And you press a little plus sign to each one that you want to save. So there's number 1. Okay, and then there's number 2. Alright, and you can see up here the numbers climb. So if I was to check it, uncheck it, it'd be 1, then 2. And then you can do as many as you want, you know, and select anything. So we can select a monkey. We'll select the globe here. And the snowman. And what happens is when you get done, you press open downloader. As you can see, I got 5 up here. Enable selected mode. So you selected the download thing went off, so we'll select it again. Select up here. Then it's going to let you download the 5 images in a zip file. Then you just press download. I can't seem to get it working on mine because there ain't nothing there. But anyway, that's kind of basically how you do it if your browser is working. I had paused the video, and here's the one. Here's the image here that I was trying to get something similar to. And if we look at this one right here, this upper right one kind of looks just like that one. So I want to kind of like to stay with the puppet with the paw sticking out like that, and I kind of like that right there. And like I said, I've been messing with it with the upscale and the variation. So this is number 2. Starting from the left is 1, to the right is number 2, bottom left is number 3, bottom right is number 4. U stands for upscale, okay, that's U2, and V stands for variation. We're going to do a variation by pressing V2. They're already highlighted because I was jacking with it earlier, and it's going to start right there. And you're going to pause the video. But before I do, is you can, as I said, this image here, I'm trying to get, find an image below that looks very close to the one I'm trying to get. So actually, that was pretty quick. It's about done here. It's at 65%. I won't even pause it. I'll just let it go ahead and finish it up. Okay, and it's looking a whole lot better. Oh, I like that one down here. This looks pretty cool. He looks kind of like he's kind of mad. Yeah, we'll do a variation of the V4 here. Alright, let's take a look at here, see which one I like now. You can see the expression, they're all kind of like, he's kind of like got that sad, mad face sort of look on here. And actually, we'll take this number 3 here, and we'll just take this right here, say 1, 2, and 3, and we'll upscale this. Now that we upscaled him, we can select here and open the original here. Then he can get quite large. Okay, not something I wanted, but this is kind of just to show you. And we'll click back here, and he should be into your gallery here. If you don't see him, we'll just go ahead and refresh the page. He should pop up. Give it a second, and there he is. Okay, and I had videos that say, hey, you know what, I don't really want that guy there. Okay, don't like him, eating up a lot of space. I'll go over this one more time. I went over it before. If you want to get rid of these images and you just don't want them to pile up, because I'm in my bot server here, it says midjourney bot. I'm in a room by myself by private. I went in another video how to do this. Basically, you just right click over the image. I have a red cross here, and normally this is not here. So basically you'll have to go to add reactions here, and normally you won't see it here either. So you'll have to go down to other reactions, and you probably won't see these crosses up here or any cross. So you'll just have to type the word and just start spelling it out. C-R-O. And once you find that cross, you'll select it right here and it'll delete the image. When you right click again, you might not see the X here. You'll have to go to reaction and click it one more time. And once you do that, that X mark should be automatically stuck here in your browser. I remember a while back ago, every time I started my browser, I had to do the thing over and over, but it seems to be stuck here. So if I don't want to have a bunch of junk in here and I don't like it, I want to go ahead and take care of it. I wish I would have known about this a long time ago, because there's a lot of images that I just want to get rid of. And heck, when you got 1,400 of these things, it takes a long time to remove these. I wish I would have known this earlier and I would have taken care of that.